Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. Are you looking for a thesis topic for your Juris Doctor degree? This is the video for you. I'm Dean Rod Vera. I'm an entertainment lawyer, a law school professor, a law school dean, and more importantly, I've been a thesis panelist for the last 10 years, and I've been a thesis advisor to a law school valedictorian. Her topic was about Game of Thrones. Can you believe that? Anyway, stay tuned, and the video begins now. Welcome back. You've clicked this video because you're looking for a topic for your law school thesis to obtain your Juris Doctor degree. I know it's hard. Some schools require a thesis to be passed within their third year, or the thesis topic must be submitted before the end of the second year. Some schools have their own rules. So I hope that at the end of this video, it will help you choose a topic for your thesis. I'll have 7 tips on how to choose a topic. As a disclaimer, you should check first with your school's thesis committee or thesis center. Maybe they have their own rules as far as topics are concerned, so please check with that first. First tip, choose a topic in the subject area or subject field that you are very familiar with. It could be related to your college major or something that you have experience in or that you want to study more about. If you choose this topic that you're familiar with or maybe related to your college major, the reading materials will be an easy read. For example, if you have an accounting degree, maybe you want to think about a taxation topic. If you have a liberal arts degree, maybe you could talk about intellectual property, copyright, or trademark. If you have a business degree, you might talk about business law or corporate law. And if you want to go into litigation or you want to be familiar with it, you can choose a topic on constitutional law, maybe the Bill of Rights or any human rights topic, or criminal law for that matter. Tip number 2, make sure this is the subject area that you want, or it'll be a field of law that you want to practice in. Think of it as it's your future practice. Think of a thesis that might help you in the career that you want to be in, whether it be litigation, corporate law, you want to go into government service, maybe be a prosecutor or a public attorney. By picking a topic in the subject area you want, you'll be comfortable in your defense in speaking about it. You will have the proper mindset when it comes to the thesis defense. And if you chose a topic that's part of your college major or that you have great experience in, you will have instinctual knowledge or you will have core knowledge when it comes to the defense. And this will help you create legal arguments to defend your thesis. Tip number 3, once you find the topic or the general subject area that you want, why don't you go to your school's library, check out the thesis database, or in fact, check out the theses that are printed or that are stored in the library. Check if the topic that you want has already been a thesis in the past, or check whether a thesis has to be revised. Maybe like a 10-year-old thesis can have a revisit, or maybe a thesis that you want to counter or you want to argue against. If you can, try to go to Ateneo or UP. Their library has an extensive thesis database. Maybe you can get some pointers there. If you can, try to photocopy the statement of arguments. Maybe the statement of the case or statement of the problem. You don't have to scan or copy the main arguments. You just want to have what they call a peg, or at least a foundation on how to form your own argument. Tip number 4, and this is quite a tip that may not go well. Why don't you center on the issues that are novel, or take an old issue and go against it, or go against the grain, so to speak. Don't try to do tired topics, or if you want to do a tired topic, go against the general norm or the general stereotype answers. As a matter of argument or as a matter of making a thesis, it's better to argue a point rather than support an old point. Sorry. It's better to argue against an old point rather than support it. Tip number 5. Once you chose the topic or the subject area that you want, try to make a general outline. When you make that outline, just don't do the first parts, statement of the problem, statement of the case, objective of the study. You don't want to do that first. You want to develop the main body of your thesis, to where your arguments will be. Concentrate on the actual argument that you want to present. Think of it like building a house. You have to start first with the foundation. You can't go straight to the interior design, or you can't go start uh, designing the garden. You have to start first with the foundation and then build from that. Tip number 6, narrow the field to just one issue, or narrow the topic to just one issue. That way you will only attack or defend one point. Don't try to add different points or different issues to your topic. It will make your thesis longer than it should be, and the thesis panels will see right through you. You're trying to do a shotgun approach as far as the topic is concerned. Concentrate on one issue and one issue alone. Here's my tip number 7. I know it'll be difficult, it might triple your work. Try to have at least 3 topics to present to your thesis committee for approval. But make sure that those thesis topics are within the same subject area or subject field that you want. For example, if it's about taxation, choose 3 topics in taxation. Don't have one topic in taxation, one topic in criminal law, and then one topic in commercial law. That way, when it comes down to choosing the topic, all those topics that are part of the same field, you'll be comfortable both in researching, writing, and more importantly, in defending. Soon, I will have a video on how to prepare for a thesis oral defense. I hope you got some pointers in this video, and I wish you good luck in your thesis research and your thesis defense. Have a good day. It's me again. I hope you picked up something in the video that you just seen, and around me here are links to my other videos about legal commentary and other law school advice videos. Don't forget to share this video, and more importantly, subscribe to my channel. It's free, and it'll give you 5 years of good luck and 2 years of better luck.